If the LED energy-saving lamp is broken, you don't have to throw a pair of pliers to fix it. Isn't it better to save 20 yuan to cut meat? Hello friends, this morning when I opened the door, an uncle took out an energy-saving lamp and said that he bought it at my house and asked me to replace it for free. I took it out and saw that this lamp was bought in September 2018. It has been more than 3 years now, exactly 4 years. He knelt down and asked me to replace it for him. When I looked at the date, it was definitely not replaceable. So I said, you just buy a new one at my house and then put this lamp here. I will repair it for you for free. I gloriously took over the business. Ha 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 ha. Let's see if this lamp can be repaired today. This lamp was bought in September 2018 for more than 3 years. Almost 4 years. The fact that it can be used for more than 3 years shows that the quality of this lamp is still relatively good. In fact, this LE lamps can be repaired after they are broken. The top is the lamp head, the bottom is a stove, and inside is an LED flower light bead. We open the cover and we can see the lamp inside. The flower light is the small white dots, which is the LED flower light chip. There is a cross-flow board below to supply power to the LED lamp bead, and then the lamp bead can light up under normal circumstances. Now let's plug in the power and see what's going on with the lamp. For example, if this lamp doesn't light up, it's usually because one of the white chips of the LED is damaged or open-circuited. We can use a pair of needle nose pliers. Today I will teach you a method to sweep the 4 on the left side of this lamp. The 4 on the right are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. The 4 on the bottom are 444, and there are a total of 16 LED chips. We use the front short circuit to short circuit this chip to see which quantity is shorted to which one is damaged. Good or not, this one is not bright, it is not bright, it is bright. The throat feels that this one is found to be bright, which means that this chip is broken. We can directly short circuit this chip. With this electricity and this computer iron, we can directly solder the chip and short circuit it, and it can light up normally. In fact, if conditions permit, we can replace this chip. We can find this painted LED lamp on this lamp board, this ceiling lamp, and we remove it from the top and install it on the top. To remove this chip, we use 1A lighter will do. We will heat it up here. It will automatically absorb the picture and then remove the chip. I will put it here to cool for a while. We don't want the broken one. Continue to heat it here. It would be better if there is a windproof lighter. Put it on, and it will be automatically restored to its original position. Okay, let's try it now to see if it lights up. This lamp can be repaired perfectly. The small LED lamp chip caused the lamp to not light up. We repaired it. In this way, you can use it for another 1 or 2 years without any problems. This can reduce environmental pollution. If you discard it, you will not only pollute the environment but also hit the flowers and plants. It is really not right. Okay. Let's put on the shell cover. Okay, today's video is recorded here. If you like it, please like, follow, comment, forward, and collect it. See you next time. Bye.